DX Spectrum Online Training. Unveiling the power of DX Spectrum, transforming IT operations. Unveiling the power of DX Spectrum, transforming IT operations. DX Spectrum is a dynamic tool from Broadcom that brings a unified approach to managing IT operations, providing visibility and control across complex infrastructures. It is designed to help organizations achieve improved efficiency, reduce operational complexity, and enable proactive management of their IT environments. Key aspects of DX Spectrum in transforming IT operations. Comprehensive monitoring. DX Spectrum provides an integrated platform for monitoring physical, virtual, and cloud environments. It offers real-time insights into infrastructure performance, identifying potential issues before they impact the business. Automated operations. By automating routine tasks, DX Spectrum reduces the risk of human error and enhances operational efficiency. This automation extends to event management, alerting, and problem resolution, allowing IT teams to focus on more strategic initiatives. Root cause analysis and troubleshooting. DX Spectrum employs advanced analytics to pinpoint the root causes of IT issues, providing detailed insights that allow IT teams to quickly resolve problems. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and ensures that IT services remain operational. Scalability and flexibility. As organizations grow, their IT operations become more complex. DX Spectrum scales to accommodate growing environments, ensuring that monitoring and management capabilities extend seamlessly across new assets and technologies. Centralized management. DX Spectrum consolidates management of IT resources into a single interface. This centralized view allows IT teams to monitor performance, manage incidents, and optimize resources more effectively, all while reducing operational silos. Data-driven decision-making. The tool provides powerful reporting and analytics, which help organizations gain actionable insights from their IT data. This enables informed decision-making, from capacity planning to troubleshooting. Integration with other IT systems. DX Spectrum can integrate with a variety of other enterprise IT tools and platforms, such as service management, automation, and orchestration solutions. This enhances cross-functional collaboration and streamlines workflows. Benefits for IT operations. Improved efficiency, streamlines monitoring and management, reducing manual efforts and speeding up resolution times. Proactive problem management. By leveraging predictive analytics and real-time monitoring, IT teams can identify issues before they impact business operations. Cost savings. Optimized resource management and reduced downtime lead to cost efficiencies. Enhanced collaboration. Centralized operations and integrated workflows enhance collaboration across teams. DX Spectrum's role in proactive network monitoring and management. DX Spectrum plays a critical role in proactive network monitoring and management by offering a comprehensive solution that helps organizations maintain optimal network performance, detect issues early, and prevent downtime. Here's a breakdown of its capabilities and how it contributes to proactive network management. Real-time monitoring. DX Spectrum provides continuous, real-time visibility into network performance, including device status, bandwidth usage, latency, and traffic patterns. By constantly monitoring the network, it can quickly identify potential issues such as device failures, performance degradation, or congestion before they affect users. Automated alerts and notifications. With DX Spectrum, network administrators receive automated alerts and notifications about network anomalies or performance issues. This feature ensures that teams can act immediately, reducing the response time and minimizing disruptions. Root cause analysis. When a problem occurs, DX Spectrum offers advanced diagnostic tools to help identify the root cause. It analyzes network behaviors and correlates data across various devices and systems to pinpoint the source of the issue. This allows for faster problem resolution and more informed decision-making. Historical data and reporting. DX Spectrum collects and stores historical network data, enabling administrators to analyze past performance trends. This feature helps in detecting recurring issues, understanding long-term network health, and planning for future capacity needs. Proactive maintenance. Through trend analysis and predictive analytics, DX Spectrum enables proactive maintenance by forecasting potential network failures or slowdowns. By anticipating issues before they arise, network managers can take preventive actions, such as hardware upgrades or configuration adjustments, to avoid costly downtime. Integrated Network Performance Management. DX Spectrum integrates with other network management tools to provide a comprehensive view of network health. It combines performance monitoring, fault management, and configuration management, giving network administrators the tools to optimize network performance and prevent issues from escalating. End-to-end visibility. The platform offers end-to-end network visibility, ensuring that administrators can monitor the entire network ecosystem, from devices to applications, ensuring the seamless flow of data and minimizing the risk of bottlenecks. Scalability. DX Spectrum is designed to scale with the organization's growth, handling increasing data traffic and more complex network environments without sacrificing performance or efficiency. How DX Spectrum enhances visibility across complex IT environments. DX Spectrum, formerly known as CA Spectrum, is a comprehensive IT monitoring and management solution that provides deep visibility across complex IT environments. It helps organizations gain real-time insights into their infrastructure, applications, and networks. Here's how it enhances visibility. End-to-end monitoring. DX Spectrum offers end-to-end monitoring, providing visibility across physical, virtual, and cloud environments. It integrates data from multiple sources such as servers, network devices, and applications, giving a holistic view of the entire IT infrastructure. Unified network visibility. It consolidates data from diverse network devices, including routers, switches, firewalls, and load balancers, into a single, unified interface. This allows network teams to monitor network performance, identify bottlenecks, and prevent downtime. Real-time fault management. DX Spectrum provides real-time fault detection and alerts, allowing users to quickly identify issues before they escalate. The solution uses intelligent event correlation to filter out noise and provide actionable insights. Performance analytics. By collecting and analyzing performance data across the IT environment, DX Spectrum helps teams to optimize performance and plan for future growth. It provides detailed reports and dashboards that help in tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, over time. AI and machine learning. The platform leverages AI and machine learning to automatically detect anomalies, predict failures, and recommend optimizations. This helps teams stay ahead of potential problems and improve overall system performance. Visualization tools. DX Spectrum offers customizable visualizations, including topology maps, dashboards, and alerts. These visualizations help teams to quickly understand the relationships and health of devices and services, making it easier to diagnose and resolve issues. Integrated automation. By automating routine tasks such as issue remediation and resource provisioning, DX Spectrum improves efficiency and reduces manual intervention. It also integrates with other IT management tools, such as incident management systems, for seamless workflows. Scalability. DX Spectrum is designed to scale with the needs of the organization, making it suitable for large, dynamic environments. It can handle millions of devices and data points, ensuring continuous visibility as the infrastructure grows. Top benefits of leveraging DX Spectrum for seamless operations. Leveraging DX Spectrum for seamless operations offers several key benefits, including unified view of operations. DX Spectrum provides a comprehensive, centralized platform that integrates multiple operational functions. This unified view helps businesses better understand performance metrics, system health, and potential bottlenecks, allowing for quicker decision-making and response times. Improved efficiency and automation. DX Spectrum allows for the automation of various operational tasks, reducing manual intervention. This increases operational efficiency and minimizes human error, ensuring smoother, faster workflows. Enhanced collaboration. With shared insights and real-time data across teams, DX Spectrum promotes collaboration among departments such as IT, operations, and business units. This seamless collaboration ensures that all stakeholders are aligned and informed, improving overall coordination. Proactive monitoring and alerts. The platform's advanced monitoring capabilities enable businesses to detect issues early, even before they impact operations. Proactive alerts help prevent system failures and downtime, ensuring smoother operations and reducing costly interruptions. Scalability. DX Spectrum is designed to scale with business needs. Whether expanding infrastructure or handling more complex operations, the platform adapts to growth, making it a sustainable solution for long-term business success. Data-driven decision-making. By aggregating data from different operational sources, DX Spectrum empowers decision-makers with actionable insights. This data-driven approach improves forecasting, resource allocation, and strategic planning. Cost efficiency. With its ability to streamline operations and automate processes, DX Spectrum helps reduce operational costs. It enables businesses to optimize resource usage, improve productivity, and reduce overhead costs associated with manual tasks. Improved customer experience. Seamless operations lead to better service delivery. With less downtime, faster issue resolution, and improved internal coordination, businesses can offer better customer experiences, boosting satisfaction and loyalty. DX Spectrum and AI-driven insights, revolutionizing network analytics. DX Spectrum is a powerful network analytics platform designed to provide businesses with deeper insights into their network performance, traffic, and security. By leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, DX Spectrum can transform traditional network monitoring into an advanced system capable of proactively managing and optimizing network operations. Here's how AI-driven insights are revolutionizing network analytics with DX Spectrum. 1. AI-enhanced network monitoring. DX Spectrum incorporates AI to continuously analyze network traffic, identifying potential issues and bottlenecks before they impact performance. AI algorithms can detect anomalies in real time, allowing for faster responses to potential network failures or security breaches. 2. Predictive analytics. AI helps predict network issues by analyzing historical data and traffic patterns, allowing network managers to take preventive actions. Predictive models identify when equipment is likely to fail, helping businesses schedule maintenance before it becomes an issue. 3. Automated root cause analysis. AI can instantly correlate different data points to perform root cause analysis, determining the underlying causes of network performance issues or downtime. This significantly reduces the time needed to troubleshoot, which helps improve network reliability and reduces service interruptions. 4. Traffic optimization. AI-driven insights allow DX Spectrum to analyze data flow patterns and suggest optimal traffic routing and load balancing techniques. The AI can recommend changes to network architecture or configuration that improve efficiency, scalability, and reduce latency. 5. Security threat detection. AI models are effective at recognizing suspicious or malicious activity within the network, alerting administrators to potential security threats. By learning from new data patterns, AI continuously improves its ability to identify zero-day attacks and new attack vectors. 6. Proactive network automation. AI-driven systems can automate network management tasks such as traffic prioritization, reconfiguring resources, or even deploying network updates based on real-time data analysis. This reduces the need for manual interventions and helps network engineers focus on higher-level strategic tasks. 7. Enhanced reporting and visualization. AI generates detailed reports that provide actionable insights into network performance, usage trends, and security vulnerabilities. Dashboards are more intuitive, making it easier for administrators to assess the overall health of the network. 8. Scalability and flexibility. With AI and machine learning, DX Spectrum can easily scale as the network grows, offering better resource management without the need for manual intervention. AI can adjust resources dynamically in response to changes in demand, ensuring consistent network performance even during peak usage times. 9. Cost savings. By proactively addressing issues and automating network optimization, AI-driven insights help reduce operational costs. Network downtime is minimized, leading to improved productivity and a better overall user experience. Building resilient IT infrastructure with DX Spectrum. Building resilient IT infrastructure with DX Spectrum, formerly known as CA Spectrum, involves creating a robust, scalable, and fault-tolerant system that ensures continuous monitoring, management, and optimization of your IT resources. Here are key components and steps to achieve this. 1. Comprehensive network monitoring and visibility. Real-time monitoring. DX Spectrum provides real-time visibility into your network, servers, and devices. This allows you to proactively detect and address issues before they impact operations. Health monitoring. Continuously track the health of IT assets such as switches, routers, servers, and applications, with automated alerts and dashboards to visualize any performance degradation or downtime. 2. Predictive analytics and AI-driven insights. Leverage AI and machine learning capabilities to predict potential failures and bottlenecks based on historical data and patterns. This helps in preemptively identifying risks and preventing outages. Root cause analysis. Utilize automated root cause analysis tools to quickly determine the source of problems, which reduces downtime and speeds up resolution. 3. Automated incident and fault management. Event correlation. DX Spectrum automates event correlation to reduce alert fatigue and identify significant incidents by analyzing related events and patterns across your IT infrastructure. Fault isolation and recovery. Once an issue is detected, DX Spectrum automatically isolates the fault and begins recovery processes. It supports automated remediation to reduce manual intervention and expedite resolution. 4. Scalability and flexibility. As your infrastructure grows, DX Spectrum scales to meet increased demands. Whether managing cloud, on-premises, or hybrid environments, the solution is flexible enough to support complex and dynamic networks. Distributed architecture. DX Spectrum's distributed architecture allows it to manage large, geographically dispersed networks, enabling better resource allocation and management across multiple locations. 5. Integration with other IT management tools. Ecosystem integration. DX Spectrum integrates seamlessly with other IT management tools, such as ServiceNow, ticketing systems, and network performance management tools, providing a comprehensive view of your infrastructure. Automation and orchestration. DX Spectrum can trigger automated workflows or integrate with orchestration tools to initiate proactive measures, such as scaling resources or running diagnostics on affected devices. 6. Security and compliance. Security monitoring. DX Spectrum includes security monitoring features, ensuring that the network is secure by detecting unauthorized access or unusual activity that could indicate a security breach. Compliance tracking. Ensure your infrastructure adheres to industry regulations and standards by tracking compliance and generating reports for auditing purposes. 7. Resilient network design. Redundancy and failover. Implement redundant systems and failover mechanisms across critical infrastructure to ensure continuity in case of a failure. DX Spectrum helps monitor the health of these backup systems and ensures quick recovery. DX Spectrum in action, real-world use cases and success stories. DX Spectrum is a software platform used to optimize IT operations, focusing on enhancing the monitoring, management, and automation of IT infrastructure. It provides deep insights into systems and networks to help enterprises respond to operational issues efficiently, enhancing overall business agility and service reliability. Below are a few real-world use cases and success stories that highlight the effectiveness of DX Spectrum. 1. Use case: proactive monitoring in healthcare. Scenario: a major healthcare provider needed to ensure high availability and performance for its critical applications, including electronic health records, EHR, systems and telemedicine services. Solution: by deploying DX Spectrum, the healthcare provider achieved 24/7 monitoring of their systems, which allowed them to proactively identify and address potential issues before they disrupted services. Outcome: reduced downtime, improved response times to issues, and maintained high service levels for medical staff, which led to better patient outcomes and streamlined hospital operations. 2. Use case: IT performance management for financial services. Scenario: a large financial services firm struggled with managing complex IT systems and maintaining performance across its global infrastructure. Solution: DX Spectrum's comprehensive monitoring capabilities enabled real-time visibility into their IT environment, helping to detect system bottlenecks and optimize resource usage. Outcome: the firm reduced operational costs by optimizing infrastructure utilization and increased the reliability of its mission-critical financial systems, ensuring customer transactions were processed smoothly. 3. Use case: cloud migration and hybrid IT monitoring. Scenario: a multinational company migrating workloads to the cloud required a unified solution to monitor both on-premise and cloud-based infrastructure. Solution: with DX Spectrum, the company was able to integrate cloud services with its existing data center infrastructure, ensuring a seamless hybrid IT environment. DX Spectrum's cloud-native monitoring tools provided visibility across multiple platforms, from on-premise hardware to cloud environments. Outcome: the company minimized the risk of disruptions during the migration process and ensured consistent performance post-migration. DX Spectrum's real-time analytics allowed for swift adjustments to resource allocation in the cloud. 4. Use case: automation of incident management in telecom. Scenario: a telecommunications company with a large network infrastructure faced challenges in managing incidents and resolving service disruptions quickly, which impacted customer satisfaction. Solution: DX Spectrum's automated incident management workflows and AI-driven root cause analysis enabled faster detection of network issues and automatic routing of incidents to the appropriate teams. Outcome: incident resolution times were drastically reduced, leading to improved customer service and a decrease in operational costs. The ability to automate and analyze incidents improved the team's productivity. 5. Success story: enhancing IT efficiency for a global retailer. Scenario: a global retail chain was experiencing performance issues with its e-commerce platform, particularly during high-traffic periods such as Black Friday sales. Solution: by implementing DX Spectrum, the retailer gained comprehensive visibility into the performance of its e-commerce platform and infrastructure, which allowed them to anticipate spikes in traffic and optimize resource allocation. Why choose ProExcellency for DX Spectrum online training? Choosing ProExcellency for DX Spectrum online training offers several advantages. Expert trainers, ProExcellency provides training from industry experts with hands-on experience in DX spectrum, ensuring that you gain practical knowledge relevant to real-world applications. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all the essential topics, from basic concepts to advanced features of DX spectrum, ensuring you have a strong understanding of the platform. Flexibility. As an online training provider, ProExcellency offers flexible learning schedules, allowing you to learn at your own pace while balancing other commitments. Interactive learning. The platform includes interactive sessions, live demonstrations, and hands-on labs, ensuring that you not only learn the theory but also gain practical experience in using DX spectrum. Certifications. ProExcellency offers certification after course completion, which can help boost your resume and enhance your career prospects in the field of digital transformation. Customer support. ProExcellency offers strong customer support, helping you with any doubts or queries during your learning journey, ensuring a smooth and productive experience. Reputation and reviews. The provider has positive reviews and testimonials from past participants, indicating the effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.